Hi guys, and welcome to my first wig tutorial. This is gonna be a mini tutorial on how to darken the roots of your wig. The benefits of darkening the roots of your wig is that they're gonna look more realistic. So let's get started. To dye the roots, I'm using a paint marker. This one is by Painters on the color Brown Brun Cafe. You generally use a darker tone of the wig's color, but not too dark like black, unless you really want this dramatic effect, like dark roots growing on dyed hair. For this tutorial, I just want to make it look more natural because naturally our roots are darker. And out of curiosity, our nape hair, not only its roots, is generally darker too. Paint markers differ from other markers like Sharpies because you first need to load the tip with the paint. To do that, shake the marker with the cap on, remove the cap and press the tip against a clean surface until the paint comes off. You may need to do that periodically every time you feel you're out of paint. This wig has a ponytail-like construction, so I'm gonna start with the wefts on the top of the head. If you're using more common wigs, you may want to start from the bottom up, but the order really doesn't matter at the end. Use a comb to separate the wefts so you can work better. Simply paint the roots using your paint marker, starting darker at the bottom and gently releasing the marker as you go out, so you get a nicer transition. If you feel you applied too much paint and got a hard edge between the darker root and the hair color, use your fingers to blend as quick as possible because it dries super fast. This tutorial is just a small section of the wig tutorial I made for Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter. I made his wig from scratch, and on that tutorial I teach you a lot of different techniques, including the lace front and nape. You can find those more advanced wig tutorials on my Patreon. Check it out at patreon.com/caspoke. If you are working with a lace front wig, which is my case, you need to take extra care. Divide the hair into thin sections, use one hand to hold the hair away from the wig head, and carefully paint the roots, trying to not paint the lace. Do it on both sides of each section. Always brush the hair to get a better look of the whole picture and add more paint if necessary. Simple like that, now you got a way more realistic wig. I hope you enjoyed it, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more wig tutorials like this one, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to bring more techniques. See you in the next video!